Can a modern motorcycle capture the soul of a classic icon? The 2026 BMW R80 proves that heritage and innovation can coexist beautifully. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're celebrating the return of a beloved nameplate, the 2026 BMW R80, a stunning tribute to BMW's air-cooled legacy, reimagined for today's riders. Design. BMW has masterfully blended retro aesthetics with modern craftsmanship. The iconic Boxer twin silhouette remains unmistakable, featuring clean lines, a classic round headlight, and minimalist bodywork. Chrome accents, a beautifully shaped fuel tank, and that signature horizontally opposed engine create timeless appeal. It's pure motorcycling artistry that honors the original while feeling fresh. Performance. The 800cc air-cooled Boxer twin engine delivers smooth, torquey power, perfect for relaxed cruising and spirited weekend rides. This isn't about chasing speed, it's about enjoying every mile. The engine character rewards riders with satisfying low-end grunt and a distinctive exhaust note. The lightweight chassis provides nimble handling through twisty roads and easy maneuvering around town. Features and technology. Despite its classic appearance, the R80 includes essential modern features. Fuel injection ensures reliable starts and smooth fueling. ABS provides confident braking in all conditions. A tasteful circular display combines analog charm with digital functionality. LED lighting maintains the vintage look while improving visibility and safety. Conclusion. The 2026 BMW R80 is pure motorcycling essence. Does this classic revival speak to your soul? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you loved this review, hit that like button, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Ride safe!